Liz Clayman with Grace Property Management, and today we are touring 863 Rifle Way. It's down in Aurora. As you can see, you can drive right into the garage, and the entrance is around to the side of the house. Here is the entrance. As we enter, you will see this beautiful living room, nice and bright with a lot of natural light. Coming further into the home is the formal dining room. Plenty of room for all of your furniture. Continuing around, we'll come into the nice den that does include a fireplace. And circling around to a beautiful kitchen with lots of modern upgrades. Also downstairs is a half bath for all your guest needs, as well as some storage. And you can walk out onto this huge deck. Perfect place for relaxing in the afternoons. Let's go take a look upstairs. As you can see, there's also catwalk area so that you can see down into your living space. Continuing up the stairs, there are 3 bedrooms up here. This is the master. Nice and sizable. Does include an ensuite bathroom, as well as a nicely sized closet. Coming out of the master, there is another full bath here for the other 2 bedrooms. This is one, nice and big with lots of natural light, and the other. That concludes our tour of 863 Rifle. If you would like more information, please visit us on our web at www.rentgrace.com.